Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I really like to cook some fish right now. To be precisely, Pangasius. Here I got some beautiful Pangasius fillets. 320 gram altogether, so that's quite a lot. Pangasius is commercially farmed on a large scale, especially in the Mekong Delta in Vietnam, but also in South Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, where the fish is known as basa. So this fish is affordable when you compare it to codfish or hake or haddock, and it's a good alternative for these fish. This fish definitely needs some additional flavor because it does not have much flavor of its own. So I'm gonna season this with some salt, black pepper, always nice. Cayenne pepper for extra spice, not too much, well, it's gonna be okay. And some ginger. And then both sides, of course, just rub it a little bit in. So that's a nice kind of Asian mixture of spices and herbs. I'm gonna cut some potatoes, which I'm gonna boil. Now just leave the skin on. A couple of carrots, roughly chopped. Pak Choi, a beautiful aromatic vegetable, if you ask me. Plus some cloves of garlic, kind of roughly sliced, something like this. I start with boiling the potatoes because they need some time, about 20 minutes. Good amount of salt, something like this. Potatoes go in. And I'll close the lid. In the meantime, while my potatoes are boiling on the background, I poured myself my second glass of wine. This is a Portuguese wine, my house wine from Adega de Pegões. It's this one. This has been featured in some of my videos before. It's like their basic wine, nothing wrong with it. On the contrary, this is like easy drinking, yet very aromatic, very complex. Lots of flavors, some fruit, some green herbs, nice. The potatoes are ready. So then it's time to go over to the Pangasius. Extra virgin olive oil and a haddock. This probably needs not more than 2 minutes per side because it's a very thin fillet of fish. And then in the same oil in which I pan fried my Pangasius, I'm going to stir fry these beautiful vegetables. I must not forget about the garlic. It's very important for the flavor. A little bit of extra flavor from spices and herbs, black pepper, coriander, and basil. Does this look beautiful? To me it does. Here I got my pan fried Pangasius fillet with some slices of lime for extra acidity, boiled potatoes, and of course stir fried vegetables, carrot and Pak Choi. It's time to eat. I will start with the Pangasius fillet, plain. Beautiful, especially with that added herbs and spices. What I was saying, this fish really needs some extra flavoring. Nice boiled potato. Creamy, just salty enough. Must not forget to put my lime. On the fillet. Lime, lemon too. That means extra acidity, so extra freshness. I love the Pak Choi, I love carrots and all kinds of dishes. I stir fry these vegetables for a very short time, so they're very crisp still. Pangasius is a nice fish. Very mild in taste, tender meat, and yes, of course, this is a very good substitute for codfish or hake or whatever white fish that is like a little bit more uppriced. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food.
like I do.